If you're a fiber optic technician, installer, or network professional who needs a compact and reliable way to test fiber optic links in the field, this video is for you. Hey there, Garrett here from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the mini light source and power meter kit from Jonard Tools, part number FPL-5050s. A portable testing solution designed to measure optical power and provide a stable light source for accurate fiber optic testing. This kit includes both a mini optical power meter and a compatible light source, so you have everything you need to verify fiber performance on the job. Let's take a look at 4 key features that make this kit a great addition to any fiber technician's toolkit. Complete testing solution. This kit includes the FPM-50s mini optical power meter and a compatible light source, giving technicians everything they need to measure optical power levels and test fiber optic links in a single compact package. It's ideal for installation, maintenance, or troubleshooting in fiber networks. Wide measurement range. The mini power meter measures optical power from -50 to 26 decibel milliwatts with a resolution of 0.01 decibels, allowing technicians to perform precise measurements across a wide range of fiber optic applications. Multiple calibrated wavelengths. The power meter supports multiple calibrated wavelengths covering common fiber testing needs, including 850, 980, 1300, 1310, 1490, 1550, 1625, and 1650 Newton meters, ensuring accurate testing across both single mode and multi-mode fiber networks. Compact and field ready. Designed for portability, this kit features a small, lightweight design while still offering up to 120 hours of operating time, making it perfect for technicians who need dependable testing equipment in the field. With its compact design, wide measurement range, and multiple calibrated wavelengths, the Jonard Tools FPL-5050s mini light source and power meter kit provides fiber technicians with a convenient and reliable solution for testing and verifying fiber optic networks. And that's it for today's video. As always, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for many more product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.